If you want to get rid of the sellers walking up to your house, one way is to place a snake guarding the doorbell. No one was harmed in the making of this video. Have you ever tried fixing your TV with a fork? I wouldn't recommend it, but this surely repaired it. You know, 2024 is about to pop when it starts off like this. I think brushing a bear's teeth would only work in Russia, don't you think? If you're a fisherman, this is definitely the coffee stirrer you need. This guy gets scared after being called out for littering in the river. He threw a chair off the boat, but didn't want to admit it was him.
You're telling me that I'm standing on the top. You didn't see that chair go into the river. Who threw it in the river? Because I'm going to go pull it on the screen right now. Who threw it in the river? No, we were just taking pictures.
This is a really steep climb, and maybe you shouldn't use the T-bar if you have no idea how to hold on to it. But on the plus side, he turned an uphill into a sick downhill full of obstacles. Watch how a T-cell kills a cancer cell. T-cell hits the cancer cell. Here's a second hit. And the third. And eventually, the cancer cell dies. This truck broke down in the middle of nowhere and got raided by hungry elephants.
And the elephants are coming and helping themselves, taking advantage.
Make sure you follow us for more viral videos.